Let's begin with this very easy summer eye pop makeup tutorial. First, let's begin with a toner. I'm gonna spray some toner on and let it set. And then I'm gonna apply a moisturizer to prep my skin. It's very important to apply a sunscreen. It is very important to apply your neck as well to protect it from the sun rays. Let the skincare set in. Use your favorite foundation. And blend it in. Then use a lighter shade of concealer to conceal and highlight. And then moving forwards towards another very important step to set the base in. Use a powder or a compact to set your base in together. And then use a brow pencil to shape your brows. Here comes my favorite part. Apply as much as blush you want. Add some highlight on the high points. Moving towards the eyes, take any bright, eye-catching color. I'm taking orange and applying it to my inner corners. And then applying some mascara to give the healthier and fuller looking lashes. I'm applying 2 coats of it. And lastly, apply a lip gloss or a lipstick to finish your look. And voila, you are done and ready to go for your day.
Hi, I'm Isha and you're watching me on femina.in. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel below.